Crystallizing versus paralyzing experiences were first discovered by David Feldman and later expounded upon by Howard Gardner, who identified these experiences at turning points. Remember, Howard Gardner is the one who developed the intelligences related to multiple intelligence theory. These experiences generally occur during childhood, but can spread outward into the rest of life. Paralyzing experiences are associated with shutting off an intelligence or shutting down an interest. These experiences are prevalent in the current structure of technology and women in this field, as an example. Ashcraft, Eager, and Friend in 2012, who are associated with the NCWIT, which is the National Center for Women and Information Technology, compiled a report enumerating the instructional methodologies which lead to paralyzing experiences, distracting women from pursuing fields within technology. These strategies include a curriculum that is irrelevant, pedagogy that discourage collaboration, a lack of opportunity to take risks and make mistakes, and a heavily horrible reliance on lecturing instead of using an active, hands-on, project-based learning. Paralyzing experiences are those associated with shame, guilt, fear, anger, and other negative emotions which hinder growth of an individual. Crystallizing experiences are those experiences which promote and encourage learning. These experiences spark an interest in learning. They promote interest in a topic and drive further information and learning opportunities. Malcolm Knowles in 1975 called this kind of a learning experience a warm learning environment. Such a warm learning climate possesses mutual respect for an individual experience and creativity. It shapes a warm, mutually respectful dialogue and mutually trustful relationship. It is conducive to communication where participants may be actively involved. Anne Solomon demonstrated this ability to mold crystallizing experiences for young Helen Keller. Helen relates, "A day or two afterward, I was stringing beads of different sizes in symmetrical groups, 2 large beads, 3 small ones, and so on. I had made many mistakes, and Miss Sullivan pointed them out again and again with gentle patience. Finally, I noticed a very obvious error in the sequence, and for an instant I concentrated my attention on the lesson and tried to think how I should have arranged the beads. Miss Sullivan touched my forehead and spelled with emphasis, 'Think.' In a flash, I knew the word was the name of the process that was going on in my head. This was my first conscious perception of an abstract idea." There are environmental influences. Armstrong lists 5 of these, which will promote or stifle the development of multiple intelligences. Access to resource or mentors, historical or cultural factors, geographic factors, family factors, and situational factors. The challenge as educators, individuals, and parents is to continually promote learning experiences, encourage learners, and be self-aware as to not direct, detour, or discourage learning, whether intentionally or unconsciously.